we keeping the shirts on, so.
Oh, take it off. You gotta give me something. Hey, what's up? What's up? Is yeah. I have my librarian brother here in the house for the premiere of this movie, Second Chance.
What's up? What up, guys? It's NDO champ. Everybody know me. My real name Robert Wilman. Born and raised in Liberia. We here try to support Second Chance. My brother Hakimu right there.
So I see you got a lot going on. Michael Blackson's illegitimate child.
Yeah. I'm like, so we have a little series going on where I play his son that he left in Africa. I found that he came to America and he tried to disown me. So we always going back and forth, you know what I mean? So, like, you know what I mean? Pretty likely we might have a TV show coming up soon. But I also have a documentary right now on Amazon Prime called Grind. Won like about 13 awards in Brazil, Portugal, South Africa, in North, you know what I mean? And we have a movie coming out called Strength Wars. Also have a movie coming out called Between Wars. And you know what I mean? We're just doing proud to put North on the map, you know?
Yeah, that's what's up, and you definitely are, because, you know, I do see you acting out, you know, on Instagram. So I'm looking forward to seeing you act out on the big screen.
Oh, yeah, that's hey, working with the, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely we're praying for that big screen look, you know what I mean? Bring all that energy into that, you know? Yeah.
That's right. So can you tell the audience where to find you?
Yeah, guys, you can find me everywhere, man. I'm on Instagram, NDO_champ, YouTube, NDO champ, Twitter, NDO champ. And just keep watching, man. We got great things coming in 2021.
Okay. Aside from the whole acting thing, I know you are a bodybuilder. So we're going to see something today? Or like what's up? The ladies want to see something. Okay. All right. Take it. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. You know you're going to get Yazzie acting out as always, but thank you for, you know, stopping by, chopping it up with me.
Boom, what up, guys? It's your boy NDO champ, man. Follow my girl, Pretty Smith TV. She in the building. She holding it down. Second Champ, we out here. Print it up. Your boy Champ.